Governing vessel 16 is located a little above your hairline on the back of your head. To locate governing vessel 16, find the center of the hairline on the back of your head. Right about here. Locate the midpoint on that center line, right over here. Now find the point that is the width of one thumb above that, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is governing vessel 16. Activate governing vessel 16 by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this.